Most people get this wrong. They think Payday Navigator is just another high-interest payday loan service. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's now a versatile platform offering fast cash, installment plans, and budgeting tools designed to help you handle emergencies without stress. Here's how it works. Payday Navigator allows you to request a small cash advance or access part of your earned wages. Funds often arrive within hours, making it ideal for urgent bills, car repairs, or unexpected medical costs. The app also sends reminders and provides clear repayment schedules, helping you avoid late fees. What sets it apart is its financial tracking. You can see upcoming obligations, manage repayment plans, and monitor overall spending. This feature makes Payday Navigator more than a payday app. It's a short-term financial assistant that helps prevent overextension. The downside, over-reliance can be costly. Using advances for everyday expenses instead of emergencies can quickly add up in fees. This app is best for occasional use, not as a regular income source. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances you can repay on time. 2. Monitor repayment dates carefully. 3. Use the budgeting tools to avoid overspending. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need quick cash. Those with regular income or per repayment habits may face high fees. In conclusion, Payday Navigator in 2026 is practical, fast, and user-friendly, but only if used responsibly. Use it for emergencies, plan repayments carefully, and track your spending. Subscribe for honest app reviews and smart money tips.